everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to prep up some snacks for baby M, for our son. So my husband and I are going out of town for a couple of nights, for 2 nights, just for a quick little wedding that is actually out of the state. And so my mom and sister are coming and they are watching baby M, and they're watching the dogs for us. So I thought I would just prep up some snacks. Not that they're incapable, but just so that it makes life a little bit easier, because if you guys know 2-year-olds, you know that they want a snack every 5 seconds. So I decided to make a couple, and here is what I ended up doing for our snack prep. So up first, what I did is I put together some energy balls, and I'll list exactly what I put in them right down below. But essentially it's just oats, chocolate chips, a whole jar of peanut butter, and honey. And this is the peanut butter that I ended up using. I like it because it's only peanuts. It has no other junk or preservatives of that nature. So once you have your mix good to go, I used my gloves to really get in there and make sure everything was mixed up nice, and that it didn't get under my nails. That is just such a gross thing for me. I don't like that. So even with like shredding chicken, we put on gloves. My mom taught me that. I don't know, now I can't get away from it. So anyways, we did that. Once that mix was ready, I went ahead and used an ice cream scoop to get them all consistent size. You scoop it and roll it, and I put it on a baking sheet and stuck it in the freezer, and I let it freeze. I think I let it go about an hour, but anything that you can do, even 20 minutes is good. And then I went ahead and put that in a Ziploc bag, and now it is stored away and ready for a quick little snack. I also made a double batch of muffins. So these muffins, I use this recipe all the time. I'll link it down below. It is the Live Simply muffin recipe, and I love it because it's so customizable. So actually what I do is I use 100% organic whole wheat flour rather than einkorn flour, just because I don't have einkorn flour. I've never used it. However, these turn out so perfect nonetheless. I usually do half of the batch blueberry, half of the batch chocolate chip, but we did not have blueberries. And so they were just plain, but they have a nice cinnamony muffin type of taste, so they're still really good. So the same thing goes for this, just let them cool, and then you also stick them in the freezer along with the energy balls. So how I heat these up is super simple. I just take it out of the freezer, and then you can either pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so, or you just let it thaw for about a couple of hours, and then it should be good. I also went ahead and washed some grapes. This is so basic and simple, but just to have fruit that's like easily accessible that you can grab, it just makes it so much easier to actually consume fruit. So I got that. I also got a bag of cuties that he can munch on as well while we're gone. But usually those 2 fruits are just super easy to throw on a lunch plate or a snack plate as well. Okay, the last little snack is a kefir smoothie. This is seriously the best and so easy. I just use the Nancy's organic kefir, and I dump the entire thing. It's 32 ounces. So, and this usually lasts us all week. It's partially frozen, so don't worry that it looks kind of weird. So I dumped the entire thing, and then I used to have like a huge bag from Costco of whole strawberries, but probably about 10 ounces. Yeah, should be fine. Usually I do like 10 strawberries or so. Hopefully you guys can see me. I might have my head cut off, but about 10 strawberries should be good. This might be a little bit more, but it's all good. And then maple syrup, I eyeball it, but I don't know, maybe about 1/4 of a cup or so. It'll already be pretty sweet from the strawberries. I can already smell those muffins. Ooh, those muffins smell so good. It's because of the cinnamon that's in them. Oh man, those are seriously the best. You guys have to make those ones, if nothing else at all. And then I just put it in a jar. And then it will separate, like you'll see it kind of separate in the refrigerator, but I've never had a problem with this going bad. So it's the easiest thing ever. We usually eat it in less than a week though, or drink it. We got 2 mason jars full with strawberry kefir, so that's one down. Okay, that is pretty much it for this snack prep session. It was super fast. I think this only took me about an hour really to throw together, and that's including baking time and freezing time and stuff like that. And so it really was not hard at all. This obviously can be done even if you're not leaving town, which I highly suggest. And I'm trying to say it to myself because I need to get back into this kind of prepping snacks and having them for the week or a couple weeks even. It just makes life a lot simpler. So hopefully you guys saw a snack or two that you guys want to implement into your following week. I always like watching these kinds of videos from other moms, so I hope that I was able to inspire you to get into your kitchens and to prep your kids some snacks. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.